Yesterday we worked out straight. Then after the ball, the one who was like to my town, he was in training with the basket. I think I want to enjoy what I eat as well a little bit. So I'm not raw. If I had to listen to them, how much you got, how much I'm going to do. You said, you said, you don't have to think one more. Okay. Yeah. I'm not going to do the same. I don't think. Like you said, it's another time. Actually, and it's going on the day because you've got family weddings coming up in 2 weeks' time. So we've got to see what cooks now.
The laid-back rhythm, Sister Sledge thinking of you. Smooth Icons. And I would put down the guitarist and I think a co-producer of that song, Nile Rodgers, as a definite smooth icon. He'd be in my top 100. He's going to make it. This year, it's a little under 3 weeks away when we will count down that chart. On the 26th of August. And that's also, I think, when we announce who's going to be winning the £1,000. Yes, you can be right. £1,000 for somebody just for taking the time to vote for your favourite smooth icons. You can vote for up to 10 of them, and you can do it at Global Player. That is really the best place to be involved in this. That's the official Smooth app, Global Player. Download it for free from your app store. Tell us about your favourite stars, then listen out on Monday, the 26th of August. That's when we count down the top 100 smooth icons as voted for by you. And in a moment, somebody who's going to be very near the top of that chart, Michael Jackson.
You can save up to 70% off the RRP on high street brand summer fashion and homeware. That's who at youknowwhos.co.uk. Mom!